Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be covering C++ most important topic, that is CIN. Like what is the functionality of CIN and how it takes input, and when you provide input in console, like whatever the things you need to keep in mind while providing inputs, and what can be go wrong if you like what are the difference between pressing enter and pressing spaces between inputs. So today we will be covering that part, and if you are preparing for C++ interview exam also, and then it's a very important topic for you. So let's start. I'm using online compiler, online GDB. So it's a online C++ compiler. You can use this, and so here we have code, and here we are declaring one variable with str, and then showing message for user to enter string, and here we are taking input through CIN. Let's run this. So it's saying please enter a string. I'm entering, let's say, demo string, and I'm hitting enter here. See, I have entered demo string, but it has taken only demo. So why it's not taking string? So what happens here? CIN takes an input from user till first space or enter arrives. So if you see here, if we press D space F space G space H, you enter D, because here after D there is one space. At that part only it's stop taking input. So what we use to take the whole line. So if we come to here line number 14, we are commenting this CIN. Now we are taking get line. And get line we will store in str. It takes two parameters. One is CIN means console input. So we are entering in console. That's why we are passing as a CIN, and in which we have to store that value what we have entered, that is str. So now again I will run this. Please enter a string, demo string. See, you enter demo string. So this is the main difference between CIN and GETLINE, and like how we take inputs, and like sometimes there is a string with multiple spaces, and if in that case we use CIN, what will happen? It will take only first word, and your whole logic will gone wrong, and you will keep wondering like what happens to it, and like you can't figure out like what's happening behind that. So if you are going to take a string which have multiple spaces, always use getLine. And if you are going to take a string which doesn't have a space, probably you can use always getLine only for strings. And CIN you can use for double or int variables or boolean, something like that. So that's all what I have for you for CIN and getLine. So hope you had a great learning. So if you're like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.